Hi there, students. Irredentism, irredentist, and irredenta. Okay, irredentism is effectively recovering territory that historically or culturally belonged to your country in the past, but now is part of another country. So, for example, Gibraltar is claimed by Spain. This is irredentism. Historically, Gibraltar was transferred to British authority in about 1730. But historically, Gibraltar has always been part of Spain. So, Spanish irredentists say that Gibraltar should be part of Spain. Or, for example, the Irish people, not the Irish government, say that Northern Ireland should be part of Southern Ireland, the island of Ireland. Or the Argentinians say that the Falkland Islands should be part of Argentina. This is irredentism. Okay, it's saying that land or country or areas that historically in the past belonged to your country should be returned. Also, I think you can use this with where there is a group of people who are ethnically the same as your nation, but they live in another country. Then this should be part of your country as well. Okay, this word irredentism comes from 19th century Italy. And I think the Italians were saying that parts of Italy that belonged to them before the Austro-Hungarian Empire should be returned. I think the original phrase, the etymology, was Italia irredenta. Irredenta means unredeemed. Yeah, unclaimed, not claimed back. Okay, so irredenta originally has the idea of unredeemed, not claimed. So, irredentism is the idea. An irredentist is the person who claims back irredenta, parts of another country that you say should belong to you. Now, personally, I don't think borders should exist. Who are one group of people to say there's a line here and everything this side of that line is mine? Yeah, so I think we should have no borders. Okay, so next question, formality. Irredentism. I think this is a fairly formal word. I think if you use it in the pub, people are going to say, what? What does that mean? I would use this in semi-formal or very formal circumstances. I'd probably give it a 7 or even a 7.5 in formality. I think maybe more informally nationalism or nationalist claims or something like that. So, irredentism. That part of your garden is mine because it used to belong to my garden in the past. Well, no, it's to do with countries, but I'm being a little bit cynical. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Irredentism, irredentist, irredenta.